Hello everyone, this is Asif Iqbal. Welcome back to another video on Google Meet, and today I'm very excited to share the things you need to know about Google Meet. So first thing, you need to access to your Google Meet window. So how you can access that? Access the Google Meet is like this waffle button. Click here and you'll find Meet here. So from here, what you can do, if you want to change the place of this Google Meet, you can just easily drag and drop to anywhere you want to add your Google Meet. So if you click here, it will take you to Google Meet, or you just simply need to write meet.google.com. so it will take you to this window. So this is your Google Meet window. So from here you can either join or start a meeting. So let's see how we can start a meeting. So first thing is, you need to click here, join or start a meeting. Just click here. So then after that you will give any title. For example, I'm giving any title like demo meet, and click to continue, and it will take you to this window. So this window is actually asking you for the permission of video and the microphone. So if you want to turn off the microphone, just click here, and if you want to turn off the video, just click here, and you need to click on join now to start the meeting. So you have joined the meeting. So if you want to share or want some others to join your meeting, so just simply share this link with them, this link, the upper link with them. Share this link with your participants. They will join by clicking in this link. So now this is the interface of your Google Meet. So if you want to see your participants, so just click here to see. So as there is no participant here in my meeting, so there is only one person showing, that is me. So if you have more participant in your meet, you will just see here in this window. And so after that, there is a chatting option. Anyone can ask anything. So let me show some other things like here. If you click on the bottom left corner of your meet, you will find the detail of joining in your meeting, detailed information about joining your meeting. If you have any attachment, it will be shown here. And then here, these are the options. Like if you want to turn on your microphone, you just need to click here. Or if you want, this option is if you want to leave the call, and this option is turn on your camera. So this one is turn on caption. That means anything if you click here, so anything you are talking, it will be shown here in this screen. So there is another option that is present now. If you click on the present now, so there are two options. One is your entire screen. If you want to move to some other places other than this specific Chrome browser, so this is the option by which you can share everything in your computer. Or one window, that means if you want to stick with one window of this entire Chrome browser, it will you just need to click a window here. So in the bottom right corner, you will find more options. Like if you want to record the meeting, you just need to click record meeting here, by which your meeting will be recorded. And if you want to change the layout, so there are three default layout. If you want to change the layout of this whole meeting, you can click on any one of it. So next one is the turn on caption. This one and this one is the same. And the setting option is actually your audio setting and the video setting. If you want to check or change your microphone, you just need to click here to change that. Or even if you want to change the camera, you just need to click here to change your camera. So next one is use a phone or audio. Use a phone or audio, that means, for example, if you click here, it will give you a number. So by this number, if anyone dial on this number, actually they are asked for a pin. So if they give this pin, they can easily join in your meeting. Last two options are basically the report a problem. If you find any problems while joining or starting any meeting, so you just need to click on report a problem to report that problem to Google. So from help option, it will actually give you some more information about Meet, so that you can learn more and use those effectively in your meeting. So basically this is all about this Meet Google Meet interface. So you can do this sort of things here in your Google Meet. So I have more videos on using extension in your Meet. You can check it out. And thank you very much for watching the video. See you in this next video.